So no need to memorize the procedure. But really have to compute. So again, in addition to RBC, occupy, blah blah blah, you must operate. Memorize or not to memorize. For the sake of board exam, memorize. For the sake of my exam, do not memorize. Why? I want to teach you yun as if you're already a doctor. Okay? Not as student. So no need. Masyado mahilig sa text. Normally, is about 3 times. What do you know? The sorry? Normally, the hematocrit is about 3 times the value of hemoglobin, in which turn 3 times the value of red blood cells. Red, go, red blood, menstruation, red cell, hemoglobin. Why are you talking? We have so much to memorize now. Then, the dean from Mahangay, before Dr. Basarin Diaz, a top notcher of the board exam, when she teaches before, and during when I take the exam, katawa na ako, I can remember all these binuang. So that's why, kailangan ako natin pinubudugo niya ng mga kid. But when you take the exam, so they picture na pinubudugo, red blood, red cell, G, globin, A, hematocrit, meaning you multiply the value of hemoglobin, red cells is red cells, you multiply by 3, it's the value of hemoglobin. You multiply the value of hemoglobin times 3, that's hematocrit. Okay? So, this is the one how to compute for anemia. Then, is considered to be present in hemoglobin if the hemoglobin concentration or hematocrit is lower than limit of 95 reference range interval. Something 95% of the reference interval, lower interval. So let's go back. 95%. What is 95%? 0.95. So what is the lower limit? The reference range is 4.5 to 5.5. What is the lower limit?
4.5.
We multiply by 0.95. 4.27. Which one is higher? The 4.27 or the 4.49?
4.49.
Anemic, not anemic. Not anemic. Will proceed the heirs or will not proceed the heirs?
Not
proceed. No need. This is a normal value. Oh shit. Okay. We always start. Lower value. 12 times 0.95. Huh? 11.4. If you will base it with the hemoglobin, will it siya anemic, di ba? 0.16. 0.37 times 37 times 0.95.
35.
Hindi ka mo siya anemic, 52. 4.5 times 0.95.
4.27.
Huh?
4.27.
4.27. Very good. What is the next step? Heirs in disease. Specifically, MCP. Look at the MCP. We memorize the MCP. Okay, there's so many questions with IM during our review for the quiz week. Pakaimuan ko the normal value with the MCP, MCHC, MCH. So 70 is higher or lower? Lower. What is the term? Microcytic. So what type of anemia now? Microcytic. Heirs. What is the R? Look out for the RDW. Huh?
WCD.
Increase, decrease.
Increase.
Increase. What's the diagnosis now? Impression of the
IDA.
Huh?
IDA.
AIDA. Diba? Why AIDA? Kung tanong mo. Very good, very good. Tama na. Heirs. Present na anemia or absent? Klaro na may present o eh?
Yes.
Microcytic. What is MCV?
Normocytic.
Normocytic. RW. Huh? Sila. It will help you, but there's a sentence in Henry na it's not useful si RDW with normocytic and macrocytic. It is only useful with microcytic. RDW. Remember, don't warpe, Jones. Microcytic. Meaning, applicable na si RDW with the roots. Microcytic. What are microcytic? Jutine. Jutine. Metruman. Jutine. TH for thalassemia. A for ECD. I for AIDA. Jutine. Remember, don't warpe. Jutine. Meaning si RDW cannot be. It's no longer useful in this one because it's macrocytic, normocytic. If it's macrocytic, it's no longer
Ang
useful.
first,
Compute.
ang before sa thalassemia.
Pero okay normal values, ay
Ano ka na?
mag-compute.
Thalassemia o kita?
Natayo. So conversely, an individual whose what type? Rabbi Sabanistan niya, kapit ang sunset. Falls within the reference interval for age and sex, yet significantly below his or her usual values, should be considered anemic. Possible only if with delta checking. What does it mean by delta checking for those not heads? This month, nagpa-CBC. Another month, nagpa-CBC. CD-pa-CBC, CD-CBC. Until you will notice that the normal range for this patient is really 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. And it happened, there's one time, let's say 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. And it happened, there's one time na 12. Is it anemic already or no? It's anemic. Why? Ang iyang usual is really 13. And how come it's down to 12? Muna yung pasakot. But we're not applying this one. Why? Through history, picture kayo ganito mo diagnose. We don't, if we try to look at the patient is very poor, we will not request for CBC. So ano na sa AirSap? Positive for anemia. Next step is I. What I know? Anemia has been diagnosed. It is then was determined to determine the cause of the anemia. First step, morphologic pathophysiology. Morphologic. Through CB. Why do you want stroke? Makain lang. Makain lang. This erythrocyte indices have been useful in morphologic characterization of anemias. Okay, and they can be calculated with the red cell count, hemoglobin concentration, and hematocrit. So MCP, MCHC, but mainly MCP. I-remind ko ha, at the end of my lecture ba, to read my exam. Diba sinakuha na discuss niya, gawa sa exam. Kaya I have so many, dapat kagan ba, I only discussing with you ba, not in my slide. So for this one, ito lang ang mga exam. Okay? This is very common tech already. Not the doctor. Then reading so many reviewers, there was no question about computation of this one. Okay? Normal values na kailangan nyo memorize na. Do not memorize the formula. Okay? But I'm showing this one so that you know mailan sa medtech. Pero ni, values ito ni pagka-inside. But at least you as a doctor, you know how to compute. Kaya kung computer game, using the RBC, you will make multiples. If your calibration is really okay, you don't have to record, you really have to repeat. Oh, same here. Just the person niya, you know how to compute. Okay? So kung di ko coincide, ano naman di coincide, when you computer, you have to compute for the whole game, using the multiple. So, that's it. But part of the doctor, no, pag-medtech eh. So, wala niya, what I want, do not memorize it one, but how to compute lang. If there's questionable result, try to open the book where this are the formulas. Okay? Down to medtech. Wala na big medtech. Wala na kapasan. Oh, sa debate. Pag-medtech na kayo. Ano rin? Pag-medtech na rin. Memorize. Okay? Memorize. Okay, when I try to look the reviewers, always asking for the they will give the MCP, but they're not giving the normal values. Meaning, you really have to memorize the values. Memorize. This one, if you will receive a CBC result, and when you look up the MCHC, typically increase only in spherocytosis. To check if it's really the spherocytosis, of course we do the AIRS. The AIRS is the smear. So you request peripheral smear. Give it to laboratory. Peripheral smear. Okay? So in what condition that the MCHC is increased? Sumana. Okay? Factor A in the diagnosis is the chronicity of the red cells. The intensity of the red cells due to intracellular hemoglobin. What's the term chronicity? Hypochromic, hyperchromic, normochromic. Oh. Nova, hyperchromic, normochromic, hyperchromic. Puting kayo, hypochromic. Siguro na siya. Hindi ka kita. Siya, hyperchromic. Hyper because macrocity. Wait, pero na ito na. Is it either hyper or normal? Diba? So, manasa. Oh. Hypercity, normochromic, macrocity. So, to not further the differential diagnosis, DDX, not DDS. Are the red cell distribution. So the sizes of the red cells vary in certain range in which the number of cells, particular volumes, form, bell shape, or So, kung saan yung nasabta na? vary in the number of cells.
Namasin mo na.
Gaussian is
Size. What is the variation of size? Truths? Ducks? Normal? Huh? What is the term? Anisocytosis. Meaning, RDW is more of the variation of the size. If there's variation of the size, what does, as you are a doctor, what will imply with you? If it's variated, anisocytosis, mild, moderate, markedly. There is marked anisocytosis in the variation of the size. RDW, asan ito? Remember the perfect Jotai para yun sa microcity. But with the chronicity, what does it will imply with the chronicity? Chronic, not chronic. Meaning the presence of this anemia has been in long time ago or just present? Long time. Why? It will take time for the sizes to change. Okay? Dili mo automatic ugma, micro, ugma, macro ko. Diba? Sa may flaccid, erected, muna ko, yung gamay. Kuyaw mga example. Layo na dyan kayo ma. So what's the normal? 12 to 17. Right? Sa libro gini. Exclusively for distinguishing between these conditions. IDA and okay. Mga Jews. Helpful only to differentiate with the Jotai city, I normal. So that's why you're correct. Because among the Jotai, it's only IDA with increased RDW. Same with our patient clinical. Okay? Remember, no party is Jotai.
Wala.
Kana,
Wala ra?
the daw na tayo. First, presence of anemia. Second,
And this is
this is microcyclic, normochromic, macrocyclic. Skip sa RPI. Why? Si RPI is applicable to all. But when you say RDW, automatically, diniragin ka mo, focus. No? Pero if you really want to memorize all with increased RDW, him, lagi na siya. What is him? Hemolytic anemia, IDA, cancer na acetate. Okay? Increase RDW, hemolytic, IDA, and AW+. So, madali niya reticulocyte count production or production index. What is reticulocyte? Based on your first year. Grabe sa ito pinakabakan mo? Rogreblast, prorogreblast, rogrecyte, aprorogrecyte, rogrecyte, metarogrecyte. Then, this one. So, reticulocytes, immature nucleated red cells contain ribonucleic acids to synthesize after a loss of the nucleus. Meaning, no more nucleus. It's really red cell looking, but no more nucleus. What you will request for this patient? Reticulocyte count.
So provide.
You're already a doctor. There's anemia already. What you will request? Red cell count. Yeah, I put up open or close with metallic blue or red crystal blue. So what do you request na? Wala pa ako request. So microscopically, dark blue network or at least 2 dark blue granules. Kung na, kung mo download, by picture. At ang board na nila mga mga. Basahan na ninyo. At least, reticular size, pale blue. Yeah, dark blue reticular granule, pale blue, and then you dark blue. It looks like grass, or just granules, that's reticulocyte. Okay? But the red cells, it still look pale blue or bluish green, but you cannot see those chromatic or reticular or granular material. Huh? Anyway, kayo pag natin percentage of reticulocytes is determined in at least 100 red cells. It's not your job, but at least you know. Absolute reticulocyte count, how you will multiply is you multiply with the number of RBC. It's still not your job, but at least you know. Interpretation. If those are the normal, memorize the normal, critical, memorize. Because reticulocytes are immature RBC that lost their RNA a day or so after reaching the blood from the marrow, reticulocyte count provide estimate of red cell production. Estimate of red cell production. Gilunggap din ako siya. Hindi ko ganahan niya. Tasya ko, kay nako. Bleeding. Profuse bleeding. She lives in a very mountainous area, but just enough not to cause her death. Reticulocyte count was requested already. They obviously produce bleeding. As a doctor, it's already in your mind that you're expecting anemia. You requested for retic count. What will be the expected? She's normal person, no comorbidities, not diabetic, no HIV, for now.
Good luck
po siya. Normal. What will be the expected reticulocyte count?
Increase.
Increase. Why? Response of the marrow. She's normal. Meaning, God is very good that will try to provide anything for the body to compensate. Meaning, if there's increase in reticulocyte, meaning the marrow is really good, it can compensate. Okay? What is meaning another? Huh? So meaning, if it can compensate, there is effective erythrocytosis. If it's ineffective, what among the list of the so many lists that we have, what are the causes, the pathophysiology? If it's ineffective, the retic is decreased or not responding. The marrow is the problem. What are the list of the marrow problem? Number 1 is aplastic. Okay. 2 is
Pure red cell aplasia.
very good. Okay. So madam na nimo, madam na nimo. Diagnosis. So absolute reticulocyte is better than just getting the percentage. So need this to reorganize. Second consideration is the adjustment of the increased maturation time of reticular cells in the blood as a result. Okay na natin sa mga need to recognize the presence of large polychromatophilic. The third polychromatophilic is what? What is the stain?
Vasophilic.
Dark.
Stain ba?
HNA.
Oh, okay, reticulocyte one is methylene blue, referred for brilliant crystal. Okay? So polychromatophilic cells, reticulocytes, immature, mature. Immature. Kung si reticulocyte is synonymous with polychromatophilic, polychromatophilic is the term used if the staining is H&E, in brilliant crystal is reticulocyte. What's the morphology of retic? Large, normal, microcytic. Large. Okay, very good. So meaning, not automatically, you will see the peripheral in large cell. This is already a disorder, megaloblastic. Okay, the megaloblastic is not as perfect circle and not light staining as the polychromatophilic. Remember that one. And there's the difference between macrocytic cells and polychromatophilic macrocytic cells. The polychromatophilic is what? The bone marrow is responsive, not a disorder. Oh, for you to know. Yeah, normal individual with a normal supply of iron can increase the red blood cell production 2 times normal within a week if the hematocrit drops to 35. 3 times normal if the hematocrit drops to 2.5. So imagine if Madalika Pacman in a week, there's already a response. If parenteral was better, which is 6 to 8 times, which we're not doing that much. Okay? Here we go. Another diagnosis. If inappropriate marrow response to anemia has not been reached 1 to 2 weeks, some impairment of the red cell production increase. So we will try to, okay, nakasan niya na to time to respond with the iron. If not responsive for the iron for 2 weeks, so when the I to do repeat CBC, if an iron is given, you do repeat CBC on the 3rd week. Okay? Repeat on the 3rd week. Procedural how to determine if it is hyperproliferative or hypoproliferative using reticulocyte count or RPI. RPI before I will give you the notes, I will change this one. So an RPI over 3 it's hyperproliferative. Bone marrow is responsive, not responsive. Responsive. RPI of the Santo, responsive, not responsive. Not responsive. This one, so, ang memorize ko with an RPI of more than 3 is only the hemolytic anemia. It's only the hemolytic. Hyperlytic. Imagine na lang hyperlytic. It's only the hemolytic anemia. And then, what are, after you have general, thalassemia, klaro kayo ako kahuman, basa, diba? Pamanas at ang lumihan. Huwag ko ito magbasa. So, after that one, you go to, you dig with the history guide you here is really about. Diba? What will guide you there is really about. So, if this one, if this is already the picture, the morphology, what are the very basic as a doctor that you will request? The iron. Sila, I will tell you what is iron later. But I really use the mnemonics nga iron. It's there already. It's easy to memorize. Okay? But here, hemolytic, reticulocytes, if it is responsive or not. Haptoglobulin. What is haptoglobulin? What's the
Gets the free hemoglobin.
free hemoglobin? So what is expected? Low. Why? It will be consumption. Kamana tayo ba sa akin nyo? Kaya. So LDH. Why LDH is increased? Lysis. Why potassium is increased?
Really, from the intracellular.
Cellular.
Increase indirect, direct.
Indirect.
Ganun indirect.
Hepatic hemolysis.
Very good. Aplastic. Decrease WBC, di ba? Kaya ikaw, yun na kanan. Decrease pansentina na. Decrease WBC, decrease platelet count. Hypocellular. Why hypocellular? Because nothing is happening. Renal failure. Hypoproliferative, then the RPW is normal. Huh? Failure man. Di uretria, di ba? Low erythropoietin. Why? Erythropoietin is produced in what? Where?
PCT.
Huh?
PCT.
PCT?
Proximal convoluted.
PCT?
PCT.
PCT. Bursas. What is bursas? When you do the smear, nalagay mo muna zigzag. Okay. That's bursas. Folate. It turns out na the picture is macrocytic. Ano mo na dito kung requested. So, thyroid panel, di ba? Thyroid panel, and you do folate and people level. Okay? Hyperlobulated PMN and macrocytes. Macroovalocytes, ha? Kung saan ito yung polychromatophilic macrocyte? Reticulocyte. Indication, good or bad? Good. Meaning the marrow is responsive. Macroovalo, bad. Okay, it's really more of macrocytic. Hyperlobulated. What is hyperlobulated? More than?
More than 5.
Pero naman kita.